Having heard the Prime Minister's response to the report, Chains of the Past, we, the people of St. Eustatius, acknowledge the response. Though we acknowledge, what happens next? How do we move forward together? This response, however imperfect the timing, presents another opportunity for the Dutch kingdom to craft a future that is meaningful and acceptable. For us in St. Eustatius, we firmly request the Dutch cabinet not to move too fast, and do not move without us. For history has taught us that the decisions made for us must include us. It is true that we are one kingdom, but our kingdom is diverse, it is colorful, and it is also complex. Therefore, the approach must be as diverse as the kingdom is. As we clarify the relationship with the Netherlands in the context of slavery past, St. Eustatius will require a tailor-made approach by us and for us. Statia has a unique history, having changed hands 22 times between different European powers. 22 times. There is no other partner in this kingdom that can make such a claim. Therefore, a unique approach to Statia and the past of slavery.